Hello, I'm Masaru. It is July and Japan is experiencing hot weather. On such a hot day, you'll want to eat spicy food. Today, I would like to introduce Japanese-style Mapo tofu, a classic spicy dish. Mapo tofu is one of the most commonly eaten Chinese dishes in Japan. It has become a staple dish in Japanese households because it is easy to make without authentic seasonings. Today, I will give you tips on how to make excellent Mapo tofu, so please watch the video until the end. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Ingredients and quantities are listed in the summary section, so please check it out. Okay, so let's get started with the cooking. First, chop the green onion. It will be easier to chop the green onions if you first cut it lengthwise. Finely chop the garlic and ginger as well. Crushing the garlic with the belly of a knife makes it easier to remove the sprouts. Make sure to remove the garlic sprouts as they burn easily. Cut green onions for topping. This is your preference, so you can leave it out. Cut the red hot pepper in half and remove the seeds. You may cut the tofu to your desired size. I think this size is common in Japan. Next, boil the water for the tofu in advance. This saves time. Boiling the tofu in advance also makes it less likely to fall apart and allows the flavors to soak in more easily. Put oil in a frying pan, add garlic, ginger, and red hot pepper, and fry over low heat. If the heat is too strong, it will burn, so be careful. When a nice aroma comes up, turn the heat to medium and add the minced meat and stir fry. When stir frying the meat, make sure that the meat is browned all over. This allows the fat to melt out of the meat, giving it a very deep flavor. Once the meat is browned all over, add the sugar, soy sauce, sake, chai lai bean sauce, and miso. Add them after turning off the heat, as they will burn. Then add the chicken broth mix and water and bring to a boil. Bring to a boil for about 1 minute, then turn off the heat. Next, boil the tofu. As I said earlier, blanching tofu allows the flavors to soak in more easily and prevents it from falling apart when cooked. When the tofu is simmering, drain the water and add it to the pan. Turn the heat to medium and stir to prevent the tofu from falling apart. Now add green onions. Add the tofu and bring to a boil, then turn off the heat. Pour potato starch with water evenly and stir quickly. If you don't add the potato starch after turning off the heat, the potato starch will become lumpy, so be sure to turn off the heat before mixing. To remove the powderiness of the potato starch, heat it up again and boil it for a while. Authentic Mapo tofu that can be easily made with ingredients you have at home has been completed. Now let's eat.